Hello everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day. As always, I thank you so much for joining me. Today I'm sharing with you the unboxing of the Love from Lizi May 2018 card kit. Now I want to share with you what comes in this kit, so we're just going to remove everything from the box here and take a look. Lizi's kits always come with, complimentary note and then 2 bags. This is the larger bag and we're going to pull everything out and take a look. We always start off with the pattern, or not the pattern papers, but the cardstock. So in this month's kit, the cardstock is A2 size. So it's 8.5 by 11. And then you get 2 sheets of white cardstock. Both of these white cardstocks are different weights. This one is really thin, and I'm assuming this one is for stamping, which would be great. You get a real bright yellow, a cool gray, you get a real pretty green, and that's like an orangish, brickish color. This is an A4 sheet of specialty cardstock, and it has beautiful metallic green polka dots on it. And then we have some specialty cardstocks that are half A2 size. So you get a real muted gold cardstock, and then this one is just a regular gold cardstock, and then this is a pearlescent, like a forest green cardstock. So those are your specialties. Now we're going to take a look at the 6x6 pattern paper. The theme for this month is tropical, and so this is going to be real fun. There's a lot of greens in here and reds, orangish reds I should say, but beautiful hibiscus flowers there, fun patterns. This one has stripes on the back and has real pretty toucans on the front. We got some more pretty patterns, some zigzag patterns, and those were double-sided. Now I'm going to show you the single-sided. You get a couple of these. This is a real pretty foliage pattern, and then these have some real pretty hibiscus on there and some more tropical foliage. Now these 6x6 pattern papers are specialty. These have a pearlescent finish to them, and it's just gorgeous shine. These have real pretty parrots on there with some hibiscus flowers. This one's super shiny with gold accents. This is actually pattern paper. I snuck that in there. And then these have some clear embossing finish on there, so they have a nice shine to them. So these are your 6x6 pattern papers. You get tons, which is fantastic. Now next you get some Love from Lizi exclusive peel-offs. These are so nice, adding some detail to the edges of your cardstock. So you get a full sheet of those. And then you get a little over 12 inches of this. This is will be great to add texture to your cards. I'm just not sure what to name that, but that's going to be fun to play with. Now we're already into our stamp set. This is the Totally Tropical stamp set from Love from Lizi. It's only exclusive to Love from Lizi, which is fantastic. You get a few sentiments, you get 2 flowers, and some tropical leaves, which are going to be fun to play with. Now, in this month's kit, you also get a stencil. This is also in a Love from Lizi exclusive. It is a 4x4 stencil, so it's perfect for card making. And the nice thing about this stencil is it matches perfectly over your stamped images. So this is going to be really fun to play with. It's nice to have a stencil that actually coordinates with your stamp set. So I'm so looking forward to that. Now, in this month's stencil set, Lizi also included the negative pieces, and what I like to do with the negative pieces is you can create wonderful masks. You don't have to worry about using posty paper or your masking paper. You could use these. These work just fine. So you get your stencil. Now we're going to take a look at the goodie bag. First off, you get a piece of fluff. I'm not sure what to call this, but this is very interesting, and it's going to be very fun to play with. It kind of reminds me of those boas, you know, that they had in the 20s. You get 3 green pipe cleaners. So those also will add texture to your card. Let's see. And then you get a ribbon strip. This ribbon strip actually has a very, like a forest green front. And then on the back side it has like an olive green. So you could use either side, but they're beautiful leaves that are attached there. You can cut them out if you'd like, or just leave them attached. Now you also get some really fine green, I would say almost metallic green thread. So you get a little bit of that. Now we're going to take a look at the ribbon. You get some green and white diagonal striped ribbon, and you get some gold ribbon. Beautiful. These are pretty neat. These are, you get some palm trees on there, which is fun. And then you get some sequin ribbon. Well, it's not really a ribbon, but it's a sequin string. And speaking of sequins, you also get a sample pack of the Totally Tropical Sequin Mix. Sample packs are huge, so a little goes a long way with that pack. I forgot 2 more ribbons, but these are 1/8 of an inch thick ribbons, and there's a brown and a white, so you get some of those. This month's Nouveau, these are jewel drops, so they'll dry transparent, which means they'll dry clear, which is neat. And the color of I'm going to show you what these look like. Really pretty. And these are strawberry coulis. No. Okay, so those are your jewel drops. And then, let's see, we get some wood veneers. You get 2 tags. They have fishtail ends, which are lovely. And then you also get 4 flowers. And these flowers have etching on the inside, and these are actually on the thicker side. If you actually were to double up the tags, that's the thickness of these flowers. So they're going to be fun to put on the cards. And then you also get 5 gold leaves that are almost like sequins. They do have holes in there if you want to thread through them. But you get 5 of those. Now you get also in this kit a Love from Lizi exclusive. This is Golden Crown Ultra Fine Embossing Powder. I'm just going to stamp a flower. I want to show you what this looked like. It is beautiful gold embossing powder. And you can see here how pretty and shiny it is. And that flower has lots of detail, so it works beautifully. So that's your gold embossing powder. Just going to put it back real fast. Now in this month's kit, you also get a little sample of some Nouveau Glimmer Paste. This is emerald green. And it's got a beautiful shimmer to it. And I'm looking forward to using this with the stencil. I wanted to show you what it looked like. It's just so pretty. But there it is. Nice concentrated gold, green glimmer paste there. Okay, now next, Lizi's kit came with a die this month, and then this month's die is a toucan. Oh, you get 2 tags, and these tags have twine on the very top. But here's the toucan. Now I did die cut it out. I wanted to show you what it looked like. It is so pretty. This is what it looks die cut out with the pieces still in it. And then I want to show you what it looks like with the pieces punched out. So this would be fun, the paper piece also. But you just punch out all the little sections. And I think the toucan's just so pretty. There we go. And I think that's going to make a fun accent to our cards. So there it is. So this is everything that comes in the May 2018 Love from Lizi card kit. Again, I'm not sure if they're available or not, but if they are, I'll leave a link below to where you can check it out. I look forward to making 10 cards with this kit, so stay tuned for that. I wish you a fantastic day, and we'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.